The National Institution for Transforming India, or NITI Aayog, is India's top public policy think tank focused on driving economic development and cooperative federalism. It involves state governments in bottom-up economic policy making, shifting from bargaining-based federalism. Key initiatives include a 15-year roadmap, a 7-year vision, strategy and action plan, and projects like the AMRUT, Digital India, and Atal Innovation Mission. NITI Aayog also leads reforms in areas like medical, education and agriculture, and measures states' performance in health, education and water management. It facilitates discussions through subgroups of chief ministers on various topics and runs the Transforming India lecture series. In a momentous occasion on October 11, 2023, the Office of the CM of Himalayan and Meghalaya extended a warm welcome to the Vice Chairman of the NITI Aayog, Suman and his wife on their inaugural visit to Meghalaya. The distinguished couple was graciously received by the CM of Himalayan, AYOG'S, along with the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Panyat Singh, MDCs that include Fantin J. Lakadong and Alvin Saukme, as well as ministers and personnel from the Office of the CM of Himalayan. In his address, Suman acknowledged that this maiden visit to Meghalaya presented a unique opportunity for him to evaluate the state's economic advancements and developmental undertakings.
Do mine. Again, NITI Aayog officially publishes many rankings. It also so this is not an assessment mission, it is a get acquainted mission. So what I would say is that this government has been very conscious of and active on bringing many national schemes to the far corners of Meghalaya. So drinking water, rural roads. So there are many achievements. However, those achievements are conditioned by the circumstances of Meghalaya, which is that it has a number of villages. Those villages are not necessarily, easy to reach. Those villages have their own schools, which have to be brought to the right level to national standards. Institutional deliveries are difficult, again, because of the geographic dimension. So there's a lot of achievement, but there is an agenda, and I don't think there's any mystery about what the action areas are, because this government puts a lot of effort into communicating its plans. So please don't think that I am here to judge. I am here to see how NITI Aayog, with its own limited resources, can be of use. And I have to say that one reason I came at this time is because CM, when we met at the G20, indicated how important he believed NITI Aayog was to the progress of the state.
Aayog'S, the CM of Himalayan, reciprocated the warm welcome and expressed his honor at hosting such a distinguished representative of the central government at the traditional seat of the Malayan province. He also emphasized that the primary source of revenue for the Hima is derived solely from taxes collected at the largest marketplace in eastern Meghalaya, the Yodo or Bara Bazaar.
This office, its special emphasis with this civil suit, which we practice till date from the time of Memorial. This Himasa is sanctioned with the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council under the provision of the 6th Schedule Constitution of India. And sir, this office, we function. We didn't depend on the government, sir, or any other. We didn't even got. We day to the administration, sir. This office depend only from the we used to call khajna in Hasi or tax from Yodo. Revenue, we got revenue from Yodo. Yodo is a traditional market, sir. It's the largest traditional market here in Northeast. I would like you, sir, to come and visit one day